Carpentry is a customary art that has been around for a really long time and keeps on being valued by individuals everywhere. From making polished furniture to staggering craftsmanship pieces, carpentry is a flexible expertise that can be delighted in by anybody, paying little heed to encounter level. Whether you are a fledgling or have been working with wood for quite a long time, there is continuously a new thing to learn in this thrilling field. In this blog, we will investigate the marvels of carpentry and furnish you with fundamental tips and deceives to assist you with dominating this specialty without any preparation. We will cover a scope of points including choosing the right carpentry devices, picking the right wood types, and making complex plans. We'll likewise examine the significance of security while working with power instruments and how to stay away from normal carpentry botches. Whether you're keen on making a straightforward wooden box or a show stopper that will endure over the extreme long haul, this video will furnish you with the information and abilities important to make lovely, top-notch carpentry projects. So if you're ready to 1. Acquire basic woodworking tools. If you're interested in mastering the craft of woodworking, the first step is to acquire basic woodworking tools. These tools will be essential to any woodworking project you undertake, whether you're a beginner or more experienced. Some of the essential basic tools include a saw, hammer, chisels, hand plane, tape measure, and square. As you progress in your woodworking skills, you may want to add more specialized tools to your collection, but these basic tools will be necessary for any woodworking project you take on. It's important to invest in quality tools that are durable and efficient, as they'll make your work easier and more enjoyable. With these basic tools in hand, you'll be on your way to creating beautiful and functional woodworking wonders. 2. Choose the right wood species. When it comes to woodworking, choosing the right wood species is a crucial step in achieving a successful result. The wood species you choose will impact the appearance, durability, and overall quality of your project. There are many different types of wood available, each with its unique characteristics and properties. Some species are better suited for furniture, while others work well for decorative items or structural pieces. It is important to research and consider the particular properties of each species before making a selection. Factors to keep in mind include the wood's hardness, stability, grain pattern, and overall color. By taking the time to choose the right wood species for your project, you can ensure that your finished product will be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. 3. Practice proper safety measures. Woodworking can be a rewarding and fulfilling hobby, but it is important to prioritize safety while working with tools and equipment. The first and most crucial step in ensuring your safety is wearing proper protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. In addition, always make sure that your tools and equipment are in good working condition and are properly maintained. It is also important to take your time and work at a steady pace, avoiding rushing or becoming distracted. Finally, be aware of your surroundings and keep your work area clean and organized to prevent accidents. By practicing these proper safety measures, you can enjoy the art of woodworking while minimizing the risk of injury. 4. Use appropriate woodworking techniques. Using appropriate woodworking techniques is a crucial aspect of mastering the craft of woodworking. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, it is essential to understand and use the correct techniques to ensure your projects are structurally sound and visually appealing. These techniques include proper measuring, cutting, drilling, sanding, and finishing methods. Using the right type of saw for each cut and understanding the grain orientation of the wood is also important to avoid splintering and to achieve a clean cut. Additionally, using appropriate clamps, jigs, and fixtures can ensure accurate and repeatable cuts. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to create high-quality projects that will not only look great, but also stand the test of time. 5. Read and interpret woodworking plans. Reading and interpreting woodworking plans is an essential skill for any beginner woodworker. With detailed and accurate plans, you can create high-quality furniture and woodworking projects with ease. A well-designed plan will include clear instructions, diagrams, and measurements to help you understand each step of the process. Understanding how to read and interpret woodworking plans is crucial to ensure that your projects are built to the correct size and specification. By mastering this skill, you can save time and reduce the risk of costly mistakes. In the Woodworking Wonders, master the craft from scratch guide, we will provide you with 6. Measure and cut with precision. One of the most important skills to master in woodworking is measuring and cutting with precision. It is crucial to take the time to carefully measure and mark your cuts before making them. This will ensure that your pieces fit together properly and have a professional finish. Precision in your cuts can also save you time and money by reducing the amount of materials you waste due to inaccurate cuts. To achieve precision, invest in quality measuring tools such as a tape measure, a combination square, and a straight edge. Take the time to learn how to use them properly and regularly check their accuracy. When cutting, use a sharp blade or saw and follow your markings precisely. Remember, there is no substitute for accuracy in woodworking. 7. Sand and finish for perfection. One of the essential steps in woodworking is sanding and finishing. Sanding is the process of smoothing the surface of the wood by rubbing coarse sandpaper on it. It helps to get rid of any rough edges or bumps that may affect the final product's appearance. Once the sanding is complete, it is crucial to apply a finish to the wood to protect it from damage and enhance its natural beauty. There are various types of finishes that you can use, such as oil, wax, varnish, and lacquer. Each has its unique features, and it is essential to choose the right one based on the project's requirements. Applying the finish requires patience, attention to detail, and a steady hand. With the right technique, you can achieve a smooth, flawless finish that will make your woodworking project stand out. 8. Create dovetail and mortise joints. Dovetail and mortise joints are essential woodworking techniques that every beginner should learn to master the craft. These joints are known for their strength and durability, providing a solid connection between two pieces of wood. Dovetail joints are often used in furniture, making, cabinetry, and even in construction, while mortise and tenon joints are frequently used in timber framing and post and BAM construction. Learning how to create these joints takes patience and practice, but the result is a beautiful and functional piece of woodworking that will last for generations. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to create furniture, cabinetry, and other structures that will stand the test of time. 9. Build your furniture pieces. Are you looking to add some unique furniture pieces to your home or office space? Why not take on the challenge of building your furniture pieces? With woodworking, you have the opportunity to create custom furniture that suits your style and meets your specific needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, building your furniture allows you to develop new skills and techniques, while also providing a sense of accomplishment. Plus, you can save money by creating pieces yourself instead of purchasing expensive pre-made items. With the right tools, materials, and guidance, you can master the craft of woodworking and create timeless pieces that will impress for years to come. So, why not take the first step and start building your furniture today? 10. Sell your woodworking creations professionally. Woodworking is an art that has been around for centuries and continues to thrive in various forms. It's a craft that has captured the hearts of many, and for those who have honed their skills, there are numerous opportunities to turn it into a profitable business. One such way is by selling your woodworking creations professionally. With the right tools, techniques, and marketing strategies, you can reach a wide audience and showcase your talent to the world. In this comprehensive guide, Woodworking Wonders, master the craft from scratch. We will explore the fundamentals of woodworking and teach you how to create professional, grade pieces that can be sold to the public. From selecting the right materials to pricing your work and setting up a shop, we will cover every aspect of the woodworking business to help you achieve success in this exciting field. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, this guide will equip you with all the knowledge and skills you need to turn your passion into a thriving business. In conclusion, woodworking is a time-honored craft that requires patience, skill, and creativity. By following the basic steps outlined in this video, anyone can learn to create beautiful and functional pieces of furniture or art. However, mastering the craft of woodworking takes years of practice and dedication. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, it's important to keep learning and pushing yourself to improve your skills. With the right tools, techniques, and mindset, you can create woodworking wonders and take your craft